Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about security event manager and what's the role of it in your organization and what's the important feature of in an organization. We are using multiple devices, whether that's the security devices, networking devices, and user cloud services. We are using IoT devices or mobile devices. Different type of devices are used. Okay, we are having some critical assets in the form of data, traffic, users information, can be anything. And how just we come to know, yes, uh, this particular user device service accessing our data, or who are the user continuously trying to brute force on certain uh, on certain devices to get access over the critical data. Okay, or what is the throughput of your network, which kind of applications or certain devices are using the bandwidth, lot of bandwidth. There many another kind of uh, events you want to keep record of all this, and how just can be collected in the form of logs which are generated by different devices, users, services, applications. Yeah. And when those logs, when we collect at a centralized place, okay, and we need some software, some security system that can correlate those data and give us a clear cut picture. It is understandable for a human being. We can make sense out of this mess. What exactly it is? What is this telling to us? Is it going smooth? It should be go in the way we have decided. We have created some baseline of either that's going in the same direction, or there is something wrong is happening in our network. It is just giving us the clear cut picture. So when we are selecting some uh, uh, security event manager for our company, what's the feature we should consider there? And in I will just discuss about it. What are the feature we can consider? uh, Being a company in certain kind of business, it is using some compliance. Okay, and uh, we also need to generate report whether we are fulfilling all the requirements necessary for the compliance. So it should provide us that clear. And another thing is threat intel it should provide to us, because uh, in today's industry attacks are evolving with a rapid pace, with the advanced technology hackers are using. Okay, so threat intel give us that opportunity. We can see the bigger picture. We can see in a broader way what is going on in the industry, what kind of attacks are happening, whether that's attack already in our organization, or is that kind of attack is happening to our organization or to our data. We just need to check it out. Okay, or is it having some kind of automated incident response? For example, our security event manager indicates, yes, this is a malicious type of file exist in a network, which is a virus. Okay, or from certain IP address, from certain user, from certain devices, continuously we are getting a failure uh, login attempts events. Clear. So what should we do? Either we should quarantine those, or we should delete the malicious file and just track it down where the effect of that kind of cyber attack. Okay, and if some kind of attack is already happened, we need to collect the forensic analysis, how that happened, what was the step, just to collect the data, so that we come to know, yes, this is happening this way. Okay, another thing we should consider the file integrity monitoring. Our critical data is in a system, so how we come to know, yes, something happened to it, something changed to it. So continuously we should monitor it. Yes, this is our assets, our data. Is there anything changed which is unusual? So there can be more feature you are you just required to consider as a security event manager, which you can see. So here is the security onion uh, security event manager. Okay, it's a wonderful software, and guys, it's a for 30 days at least it is having a free trial. You can try by own what are the feature of it. Yeah, let me just show you the closer look of it. You can see here it is just giving us a bigger picture, like users logon. It's just saying, okay, administrator are uh, 750 administrators, or with the name of the administrator 538, or some different kind of users are logged on. Clear. And uh, as this I was talking about the failure login attempt by certain source machine. So these are the culprit machines. Maybe some kind of attacks are generated from by certain machine. So we can quarantine it. We can just closely look, quickly take action. Why? What is happening on that certain machine? Why we are getting so much of the failure login attempts? Okay, it can be a brute force attacker is just trying to get access on certain machine. All the events type it is saying, okay, different type of events is just categorized. Failure by user, certain user is just trying to um, uh, access. So a user we are just also getting information. Maybe somehow hackers get the username but don't know the password. So trying by certain user are continuously trying to log in. It just giving us. So it is also showing us what type of port is generating type of traffic. Okay, and other lot of things are available, like firewall events or the rules fired by rule name. There's lot of information available, and you can even download the software and can try by own. Clear. Here is the link of it with solarwind.com/security event manager, and it is giving us 30 days free trial version. Download it and install on your machine and get the experience of how it's working, what are the interesting thing you can do with it. Clear. So a lot of thing you can do in uh, security onion security event manager. Yeah, and you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting, and also share session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what exactly is the security event. So see you in the next session. Namaste.